English, Class 7, Book Dahlia, Unit 10B. Name of chapter: The Village Blacksmith. The Village Blacksmith, written by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. Let us have a quick look over the summary of the poem. In a village, there is a blacksmith workshop under a chestnut tree, and the smith himself is a strong man with a strong and powerful hand. The muscles of his arms are so tough that they are being compared to a hard iron. The poet further gives details of his appearance by speaking about his hair, which is black, crisp, and long. His face is tanned by the harsh sun rays under which he works throughout the day. His body sweats due to hard work. He is a dignified person, as he earns honestly, and is fearless as he owes whatever he earns. He works every day from morning till night. One can hear the blows from his bellow and tools. Swinging of his heavy sledge can be heard with equal beats, which sounds like a sexton ringing a bell. Summary of the poem continues. Further, the poet speaks about how the children are mesmerized by his work. They are so excited to look through the open door, to see the sparks flying from the flame and his bellow hitting the metal. They love to see how the flames and the sparks are forming shapes in the air. In the last stanza, the poet is thanking the blacksmith for a lesson that he has taught him without his knowledge. The blacksmith's work has successfully taught a lesson that we are the makers of our own fate amidst the hardships of life. Each day we shape our future and life with our own hands. Here we have a list of vocabulary related to the poem. Smithy means a blacksmith's workshop, मतलब लोहे की भट्टी. Mighty means powerful, मतलब शक्तिशाली. Crisp means small tight curls, मतलब घुंघराले. Bellows means a mechanical device that blows a strong current of air, मतलब एक यांत्रिक उपकरण जिससे तेज हवा का बहाव किया जा सकता है. Sledge means hammer, मतलब हथौड़ा. Forge means make or shape a metal object by heating it in a fire or furnace and hammering it, मतलब किसी लोहे को आग में पिघलाकर आकार देना. Chaff means straw, मतलब भूसा. Threshing means milling, मतलब पीसना. Fortune means fate, यानी कि भाग्य. Wrought means a metal beaten out or shaped by hammering, यानी कि किसी लोहे को हथौड़े से पीटकर आकार देना.